Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing a review and I'm going to be giving you lip swatches of the Anastasia metallic liquid lipstick set. So these are all supposed to be matte lipsticks and they're supposed to be long wearing and smudge proof. So we will see about that. The Sephora website says that you can play around with these and mix colors together to get a custom lip shade. I'm just going to do some lip swatches separately just so that you can see what they look like individually. But I definitely feel like you could play around with these, maybe mix them together, and then also maybe apply them on top of another lip color that you like. Anyway, I'm just going to jump right into the lip swatch portion of this video. Definitely some really fun metallic lip colors. I would not wear these on a regular basis, maybe for some kind of party or costume. Halloween's coming up, maybe you could find a way to use these in that, or maybe you just like metallic lips. They are really pretty metallic colors. I definitely think that mixing them would be a lot of fun, and I feel like you could create some really pretty lip colors with these. Definitely the clear one I feel like would look good topped, either topped maybe on this one or topped on another lip color that you might have. This gold color would be really pretty topped maybe on another lip color, like maybe placing it in the middle of the lip. I'm just gonna try it out with this. And then maybe just kind of like spread it out a little bit. And I feel like that's just really fun, and I feel like you could definitely play around with these a lot. These are definitely very matte and they dry pretty quickly. I feel like actually the clear one did not dry nearly as quickly and it was actually really easy to get off. But these things stay put, like they stay put. Like swatching these are really difficult to get off of your hands. Like I had to wash my hands several times to get it off, so they definitely are very long lasting, and I feel like they're the same on the lips. They don't smudge and they do not come off easily at all. So if you want something that's gonna last for quite a while, this has got you. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more from me in the future, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next video.